Hello people, karibuni sana. Yeah, we have been doing assignment, so for now I just want to cook because it's 7 in the evening. This is our evening routine, and yeah, I'm just here with my. Which number is this?
7.
Now you have to draw 7 balls, okay?
1.
Yeah, we are still doing assignments. And if you're new here, people, karibu sana. And for those who have not subscribed, guys, just
Subscribe
down below and subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.
Yeah, they have to subscribe to our channel, right? Tell people something. Tell people to subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe the channel.
Okay, now continue with your homework. So, guys, this is what you're going to do. I'm just going to prepare some fish, and then at least by 8 nikuwe nimemaliza because tomorrow is school again. Yeah, you have to reach 7. How many balls have you done? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to add 5, 6, 7, 3 more.
Yeah.
So walk with me, guys, in our evening routine. Endelea. 5.
5. 6. 7.
8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10.
Endelea. Endelea, Maxi.
10.
I count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Count. Start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Add one ball here. These are not 10. Add one ball.
1 ball.
Yeah, ongeza pa one ball. Maxwell, one ball here. One ball. Ongeza one ball hapo.
1 ball.
Haya. Which number is this? Which number is this?
5.
Draw 5 balls. Then you come and show mommy, okay? So for dinner, we are going to use spinach. This is spinach.
This is cabbage.
And I just want to clear my sink. Then I have some fish here. Yeah. So let's start, guys. For now, I'm just washing my vegetables, and then I go ahead and chop them. Yes, so ugali water is boiling, so I'll just go ahead and start cooking ugali. At the same time, I'll go ahead and prepare some fish too. So I'll just go ahead and put some oil. Wait it to turn golden
Just
added some cooking oil in my onions. Then I'll just go ahead and wait for them to turn golden brown. that's how I ended up serving our meal, guys. You can see it's so delicious, so nice, and so attractive. So guys, see you in my next video. More videos are coming, and if you have not subscribed, guys, please just go ahead and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.